I'm Rich Noonan from Best to the Best, a program in which we travel all over America in search of our nation's best businesses. And we have found one of them today.
Today on Best to the Best, the awesome team at Auger Pros in Texas does it again, earning the 2026 National Best to the Best Award for Customer Satisfaction. Auger Pros is the only plumbing company in the state of Texas to have earned our national award each year since 2022. And it's been another fantastic year of outstanding service for this wonderful family business in 2026. Once again, we did not tell anyone at Auger Pros in Allen, Texas that we were doing this video. The owner is one of the deans of plumbing in the state of Texas and a great guy named Jerry Schrader. Jerry and the very experienced team that he values so much had no idea we were doing this video, and that gives it a heck of a lot more credibility than anything else out there. Wow, what a year at Auger Pros. This team has helped so many residential and commercial clients, including lots of big brand names you would know, who have Auger Pros phone numbers saved in their phones. This company is really special. Auger Pros does it all in plumbing and drain work, you name it. They are experts at finding and repairing slab leaks. They do lots of gas and sewer line work, drain cleaning, all kinds of general residential plumbing, such as water heaters, new plumbing fixtures, garbage disposals, toilets, and more. Jerry is one of those guys who's always embraced change. Auger Pros was an early adopter of offering financing, for example. But the core of this company's business is still old school customer service done by local people who care. We always urge people to hire locally owned and operated companies where they can pick up the phone and talk to the owner if they want to. Auger Pros is full of people who grew up in this part of Texas. They would never gouge a customer or cut corners. Never. At Best to the Best, we profile companies every single year because we know that recent reviews matter. When we did this video in April of 2026, Auger Pros had some of the best customer reviews in America, not just Texas. They had a 5-star rating on Google, and so many reviews sounded like this one posted by Hank. Right before we did this video, Hank said, "Kevin did an amazing job with our water heater. He is a very professional plumber and very personable, great personality, and goes the extra mile for you. I trust him to the utmost. If they had 10s, he would have gotten it. Thank you, Kevin. Job well done." Wow. We've read so many reviews like that one over the years about Auger Pros. Please read the reviews for yourself. You'll be impressed like we are. Finally, at Best to the Best, we've researched thousands of great American family businesses for more than 15 years now. Nobody does more homework on a company than our team. And take it from us, you simply cannot go wrong with Auger Pros. These are good people who you can trust. We know we've done the research for you.